Need to turn off Instagram suggested post in your feed? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can turn off suggested post. First thing first, move into your application Instagram and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. And then tap on the three line at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings page of Instagram, you need to scroll down and in the section of What You See, you need to head over to Content Preferences. In this page, you can see Snooze Suggested Post in Feed. You need to turn on this feature. Once it has been turned on, it will hide suggested posts in your feed for 30 more days. And then, you will not be able to see any of the suggested posts on Instagram feed. So this is simply how you can turn off suggested posts on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.